Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade, my little channel where I share my love for DIY, take up something ordinary and turn it into something beautiful and useful. Today I've brought before you a beautiful DIY, a trash to treasure or a high-end tube look for less, and I have two open invites also. The invitations I'll show you after this short quick DIY. With age, I have realized that everyone must know what gives them happiness and how to create happiness for themselves. If you depend on others, it's most likely that you'll be bored or unhappy most of the times. So it's important to make your own happiness, and my inspiration for today's DIY is from Wayfair. They have this beautiful sign and it cost $39.99. Well, it's made on canvas and it has beautiful handwritten words and very free handwritten, no specific font, no rigid rules, and very free looking butterflies. It's a beautiful art. The simplicity is its beauty. I have tried to recreate the same using household trash so that you don't have to go out of the home to find anything. You will find everything in your home and be creative while staying at home. This is a sign that I made sometime back, this little before the Christmas. This is actually made on a cardboard box. This was part of the packaging of a sweets or a chocolate box, and I just used this box which has neat sides and I pasted a paper and painted it. I'm going to do something similar to this. If you have a free canvas lying in your home, you can obviously use that, but otherwise this is a trash to treasure DIY using household items. So you will find these kind of cardboard packagings in your home. Any size will work. So I'm going to take this. I'll try to remove this. You can find this DIY video in my DIY decor playlist as well as winter DIY playlist. I'll just try if I can neatly take it out. Otherwise, paste A4 size paper. I think it will fit in well here on this. Now if you notice, I have pencil sketched, I've written it in pencil, the message, make your own happiness. The best part about this is the sign that I saw in Wayfair is that none of the alphabets are alike. It's pretty freehand, so you don't have to worry about being perfect. Imperfectness, the handmade look is what makes this special. To begin, I'm using some oil pastel colors from my kids. I'm using this sky blue or the light blue oil pastel because when oil pastel is used over a surface, it will not allow watercolor to come in. It's kind of masking effect, not fully, but a bit partial. I want that variated look that is there in the original Wayfair stuff. So just a little only, here and there. Next, I'm taking a piece of rag. I wrapped it around my finger and just smudging them a little. This would fill in small pores in the paper with the color or the wax. A little watercolor, water and a brush. That's all I'm using. Now you see here there are places where the watercolor is really dark and there are places where I had added pastel colors previously. The watercolor hasn't gone so much in, so it's causing a different look, a texture or a variation in this paint. This is the kind of look I want to achieve with all and make it look very similar to that seen in Wayfair. Why make life complicated? Keep it simple. So I'm going to use some felt tip pens and make my butterflies here. Now all I need to do is take my base and paste this saying over this. It's ready. Once pasted, it's ready to decorate. Make your own happiness. I hope you liked my today's DIY, and now it's turn for the open invites. So the first open invite is basically a sweet reminder for all those who are interested in the Useful DIY Challenge April 2020. The invitation video card is above, as well as the link is in my description box of this video as well, and the invitation video is on my channel. And let me remind you, the date is 23rd April 2020. You can look for further details in the invite video. My second open invite is Sew Your Stash. Sew Your Stash is an open collaboration where I invite everybody and anybody who loves stitching to bring a video tutorial where they can share a project which can be small or big, hand stitched or machine stitched, anything to do with the stash of fabrics and stitching. So this month's open collaboration for Sew Your Stash is on 30th April 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I'll create a playlist and you'll find the link to this playlist in the description box of my video on 30th April 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you have any problems adding your video to the playlist, just contact me and I'll pick your video and add it to the playlist. So I hope to see you all on 23rd April with any kind of useful or any kind of DIY project using materials or trash that you have at home. Use your stash or use the household trash at home to create a DIY on 23rd April, as well as on 30th April with a sewing project. Until then, take care, stay safe and healthy.